kitchen. I'm gonna cut out this, cut out all the copper, the waste, so we can get our unit in there nice and snug. All the units are flat pack, so we're going to spend most of the day building all the units. So let's go and get that done. So the kitchen that we're fitting, it's going to be white gloss. I think it's white. Might be like a marbly effect worktops. We haven't got to the bottom of the pile yet, so we're not too sure. But that's what it's going to look like that. Right, we have got one unit. We've got 2 units built. That's going to be for the larder, which is going to go next to this one. And Mark's going to build out there, and I'm going to tackle this plumbing. So we worked out exactly with these lines we've just drawn on the wall where that sinking is going to be. So these pipes here on the left, I'm going to have to cut it, weld and bring it more into the centre and redo the waste pipe. So let's get to it. Cut out all the pipes. Going to get some copper and pre-cut everything ready. I want the pipes to sort of come about here-ish. I want hot, I want cold coming in. We've got this for the outdoor tap, so I'm going to be putting a valve on that one as well. And then we've got a dishwasher, washing machine on the other side. So I'm going to connect all of that in the cupboard, in the unit. So yeah, let's go get some copper. Right, plumbing's all done. We've got fresh pipes, we've got valves we can shut off underneath the unit if we need to. We've got a valve for the outdoor tap to switch on and off, and we've got hot and cold feed here. So I think when we put the unit in, we'll take these off, and we might put a little elbow to bring the pipes up a little bit and run the flexies for the sink tap into those. And then the dishwasher and the washing machine is also going to connect to that also. Let's go and get the units built and get them in place, and then we'll check back this a bit later. Slowly making progress. Half the base units are in now. I'm currently going to go and cut this end panel for this side, get that in, and then I'm going to do this one on this side, so that will be fixed. And after that's done, I'm going to start working out the wall units for this side, from this corner, work our way around. Mark's currently doing the sink, he's going to be doing that dishwasher, the washing machine, and we'll get all those ready. So once those are in place, then we can start cutting worktops and start getting those fitted. The sun is blazing today, even though they said it was going to rain. So we did bring a marquee with us, but we don't need it. I think we should be fine. Right, let's measure this up, get this cut and fitted. Right, I've come across a problem. On the camera. So I've got this unit up. I know there's going to be cables coming from the bottom here going up, so I've just made a small hole, and I can see. I can see that I can't put a screw here. Yeah. But I've chased out that one. I can put a screw there. Yeah. So I can only put 2 there. But it's going to be solid.
Well, it's got at the bottom, hopefully. Oh no.
I don't think it's going to be this. It's
going to be below that anyway.
Oh yeah, be on that one.
Yeah. No, it'll be below those cables, isn't it? Or there's more cables going through?
Oh, it might be. Well, actually, all these cables do go up, so I think there's some here. So I think this must be this one then. There might be some there. I better check that before. of the extractor. I'm going to get that one in place, get that fixed, and then this unit, get it fixed as well. That's getting quite snug to make sure everything's nice and straight. What are you looking
For the door mate, right?
for? Right, we've got up, all the wall units are on now. I say all. What I want to do. Yeah, it's gonna do. I need to do an end panel for this side. I need to do an end panel for this side. We need to do an end panel on this side. And then we've got that unit going up, and there's a micro going inside that one, but I'm going to do an end panel on each side of that. Once that's up, then we can start putting in the shelves and the doors. And Mark's currently going to be doing the worktops now, so. Cool units now, last one to cut there. That's finished. Screw in. Struggler. All done. That's been very nice warm now, isn't it? We're back on day 3. Come in. So this is as far as we've got. All the units are in place, worktops are in place, they're all joined nicely. Bobbins in. We're going to get the hob in, sinks all in as well, but we're going to do the tiling first. And I'll show you. This is what she has chosen, was that. So we're going to be doing a brick style, I think, column style. So we were thinking to start somewhere in the middle like this and go up, but we're going to measure and see how it works out. So that's going to be going all the way around. So I think we're going to do that first, and then we'll carry on finishing off the kitchen with the shelves and the doors and anything else that needs to be done. Right, we come to the end of day 3. All the tiling's all done, everything's in place. sink is all connected, all the waste is done, the oven's connected. Just going to put the hob in and the washing machine and do all the frontals.